Code D, part 7 of 14, plug, create a new file, select model template, select the units inches, enter the name, plug, click OK. Now create the sketch for our revolve feature. Create the sketch on YZ datum plane, click OK. Select the profile tool, draw a horizontal line, 0.042 inches, angle 0 degree, decrease the dimension text height, enter the length 0.081 inches, angle 90 degree, enter the length 0.007 inches, angle 0 degree, create a vertical line. Now start from the origin and enter the length 0.250 inches, angle 90 degree. Now draw an arc. Edit this radius to 0.085 inches. Draw a horizontal line. Draw a vertical line of 0.02 inches height, angle 90 degree. Draw a horizontal line. From the vertical center axis, edit this dimension to 0.078 inches. Now trim the unwanted curve. This completes our sketch for revolve. Finish the sketch. Select the revolve. To specify the vector, select the line 5 of our sketch. Angle 360 degrees. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File. Close all parts. This completes Code D, part 7 of 14, plug.